Hi, my name is Misty with Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple recipe with these few ingredients.
20-minute chicken creole. The ingredients you will need are 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 4 chicken breasts, 1 can low sodium diced tomatoes, 1 cup bottled chili sauce, 1 large green pepper chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 onion diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and cooked brown rice or whole wheat pasta. How to prepare this. Step 1. Wash hands with soap and water. Step 2. Heat pan over medium-high heat, 350 degrees Fahrenheit in an electric skillet. Add your vegetable oil and chicken and cook until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Reduce heat to medium. Step 4. Add tomatoes with juice, chili sauce, green pepper, celery, onion, garlic, basil, parsley, and cayenne pepper. Step 5. Bring to boil, reduce heat to low, and simmer covered for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Serve over hot, cooked brown rice or whole wheat pasta. And Step 7. Refrigerate leftovers for 2 hours.
And there you have our 20-minute chicken creole. I hope you enjoy!
Eat, move, say.